Namo Nama. Welcome to NCERT. We are learning Maths Mela of class 3, chapter 2, Toy Joy. So friends, in this video we are going to start new chapter where some children are making animal and bird faces on old boxes, cans and paper. See, this girl says, look at my bottle which is in the shape of cylinder. I made a puppy face on it. It has wide ears. So here in the shape of cylinder you can see a puppy face who has wide ears. I made a cat face on the cuboid. It has long whiskers. So here on this cuboid shaped box you can see face of a cat with long whiskers. This boy says I made a pig face on the box, and this boy is in the shape of cube. All the sides are similar. It has narrow eyes. And this girl says, I made a bird face on the cone. Look at its pointed beak. So friends, here you can see these all children have used different shapes and drawn face of different animals and birds. And how creatively they made. Now let us do one activity. Use all boxes which are in the shape of cubes and cuboids, and bottles which are in the shapes of cylinders to do craft work and draw face on them. So what did you draw on their faces? Here you can see different box with face of different animals. Now Jaya is building a rocket with her shapes. Here you can see a rocket which is made using different shapes. So what shapes has she used? So here you can see on the top a cone, a cube, again a bigger cube, a big cylinder and 4 cuboids on each side of the cylinder. So can you say how many of each? How many cubes are used? How many cuboid, cone and cylinders are used to make a rocket by Jaya? You can stop the video and count them, then write the numbers. Okay, we can see 2 cubes are used. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cuboids are used. 1 cone on the top is used. And 1 big cylinder is used, right? Again, creativity. You can see using different shapes. You can also make different designs and shapes using different shapes. You can create different objects or different buildings. Now we have some questions from this image. What shape is between the red cuboid and yellow cuboid? So this is red cuboid, this is yellow cuboid. And what shape is between them? Yes, that is cylinder. What shape is on the top of the orange cylinder? Yes, this is orange cylinder. And we can see a cube, a big cube on its top. What shape is under the pink cone? So pink cone is on the top. And we can see a smaller cube under it. Let's do one more activity. Collect objects to make a house. Name the shapes and talk about their faces and edges, which are straight and which are curved. So here you can see an image of a house. This is just for an example. You can create different types of house using different shapes and objects, and name the shapes and talk about their faces and edges. So here you can see a cube. This is the face of the cube. So how many faces are there in a cube? Yes, that we know. A cube has 6 faces. And this line you can see all around this cube are known as edge. So how many edges are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 1 behind here, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. This way 4 in the bottom. So 8 plus 4, 12. So there are 12 edges in this cube. And where edges meet, this is known as corner. So how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 corners. So friends, name the shapes and talk about their faces and edges, which are straight and which are curved. Also describe how the shapes have been arranged. What part of the shapes can you see from a distance? Think about it. Then, Devika went to a shop and bought a toy engine. So here is Devika's toy engine. It has many parts. So count and fill how many red cylinders, yellow cones, grey cuboid and blue cubes are used. So we can see 2 cones, 1 cylinder, a cube and a cuboid is used by Devika to make a toy engine. So again friend, creativity. You can create many more different buildings, vehicles, toys, objects using these types of different shapes. So friends, in this video we discuss about different shapes, their faces, edges and corners. We learn to draw different faces on the faces of different shapes, and we learn to create different types of buildings, toys, vehicles, etc. In the next video, we will discuss about some more activities. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and happy learning.